Hi everyone, welcome in Design Basics in Canva. In this series, we will learn the essential graphic design basics and see exactly how to use them in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take the moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, in this small series, we will learn few basic things: design basics, visual hierarchy, typography essentials, color and contrast, composition, spacing matters, fixing bad designs, brand basics, thumbnail design, and in the end we will do our final project. Just a quick and dirty introduction what we do, like this fixing bad these designs. So if just I just asked that this is a fully AI design, I just asked the AI to create some really bad, really dodgy design for us. You can see everything in a bad order, wrong place. The hierarchy is not good. The layers are not good. It's so messy. So many colors, not matching colors. So this is not a nice design. And we just polished it a bit and have it my more cleaner design, which is help us to reach more and more people with our projects. So this is the main things what we will learn in this small series. Soon we will have the first episode, so please keep watching on it. But now this episode is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. Plus, if you have any question or struggling anything in the Canva, just let me know and I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.